Could that strange electronic sound that I posted in my earlier shorts over the last couple days been involved? Like, is that some harp maybe? Because it just stopped. We had that big storm last night and the sound stopped today. And there was like multiple tornadoes up through the London and Laurel County areas and places like that. I mean, devastating. But nothing like was here. It like pushed away from us. Could it be some kind of sound wave technology maybe? I don't know. What do you think? Thank you, folks.